Hey guys, it's Ryan here with DP Marketing Services and author on the book on digital marketing for plumbing and HVAC contractors. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're doing well, staying safe. And if this is your first time to our channel, first time seeing our videos, welcome. We are a full service digital marketing company who we specialize in the trades. Specifically, we work with plumbing and HVAC shops to help them to use the internet to make more money, get more leads, and build the lifestyle that they're looking for. We work with clients all over the US and Canada. And really, our goal is a lot like yours, right? We want to help you get more leads and more leads and more leads and more leads and more leads. And it doesn't matter if you're a one truck shop, like you're just starting out, or if you've been in business for 30 years and you guys run 60 million a year across 5 states. Um, we know you're like everyone. You want as many possible leads as you can get. The more, the better, right? So, what we found, obviously, that's great to do that. What we found though is that when you're trying to make as many leads as possible come in, something like 70% of your book of business is probably new customers. So let's think about how much money it costs you to make a new customer, right? It doesn't matter how big you are. You have a lot of costs associated to getting those leads. If you're starting off, you might have few options. You might have Angie's List or Home Advisor or Yelp, something like that. If you're a bigger shop, you have TV, billboard, radio, you have your truck strapped, you have branding, you have a website, SEO, PPC, Google local services. You have to spend a lot of money to create 70% of your business just to keep going, right? You need more leads to feed the machine that you're building so you can continue to grow, continue to scale, continue to have your goals and reach your goals. The trick though, it is about 3 times cheaper to keep a current customer on the books than it is to create a new customer and maximize that revenue potential of an existing customer. So in other words, let's make this easy. Let's pretend like all cost included, for every $100 you spend, you create a new lead. Now, don't get lost in, well, I only paid 24 in this and it's only 75. It doesn't matter, right? The point is, you're throwing money at something in general as an aggregate to create a new lead. Whatever that dollar is, it will be 3 times cheaper to maximize your current customer base to get more revenue. So if you're spending $100 a lead to get new business, it's going to cost you $33 to take a current customer you've already made and give them more opportunities to make more money. So a lot of companies focus, again, like 70% of your book of business is probably new customers, and that's fine. But we are actually working on something. I'm not quite ready to talk about it right now, but about finding ways to maximize the maximum revenue possible from your current customer base. Because you already have these names, right? You have their names, you have their email addresses, your phone number, you have the service you've done, your average ticket price for them. You know a lot of information about your current customers. So we're working on something to help you maximize that information to get more and extract more money out of them. My question on this video is this. Right now, when you're watching this video, what is it that you're doing to maximize your current customer base? What is it? I want to hear. Leave a comment. Maybe you call them twice a year. Maybe you do service or maintenance agreements, and that's fine, but that's like this much, right? Service and maintenance agreements are just a piece of the puzzle. What is it that you're doing that says, hey, that person I sold a water heater to last year, we're positioning ourselves to sell them another service this year. If you're just single trade in plumbing, what else are you doing to position yourself to sell another plumbing service? Or if you're multi-trade, if you do plumbing, HVAC, electrical, what is it that you take that water heater and turn it into a furnace? Or what is it that you turn it into a geothermal system if you're in those kind of markets? Extracting the most revenue possible from your current customers means that the money you're spending on marketing to new customers goes further. Because now instead of at $100 per lead, that then you hope your average ticket's like $800 if you're killing it. Now all of a sudden you think about lifetime value of customers. And we have other videos on our channel talking about how to calculate your lifetime value. I'm not doing that here. Point is, if you can make the most efficient use of creating new leads, and then in a separate set of strategies, use the smartest possible tools to maximize the revenue potential of those customers you've already created, you will unlock your business to the next level. And I would love to hear from you again. What is it that you're doing right now? So outside of anything else that we're talking about in the weeks and months ahead, I want to hear from you. What is it that you're doing to maximize that revenue potential? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. So as always, guys, follow us, subscribe on YouTube. We want to hear from what you're up to. And thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. See you guys.